it's your girl Marielle back at it again with another video. So I got some feedback from you guys on my first video saying that you guys wish that I would have done an actual makeup tutorial and did a voiceover. So that's exactly what you guys are gonna get. So if you guys want to see a purple smoky eye look and know how to do it, then please keep watching. So like I said in my last video, I haven't gotten my brows done because of everything that's been happening. So that's why they're on right now. But if you guys do want like an in-depth video about how I do my brows, then please comment below and I will definitely do that for you. So since I don't put on my brows on camera, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you the products that I use. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the color Chocolate, and I use the Morphe E11 angled brush for my brows. Gotta get that arch, ooh! Now I'm gonna start prepping my skin, starting off with the Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rosewater. Just spray it all over the face. It's so refreshing. Now I'm going to use the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion, and I'm just going to put a generous amount all over my face. After that, I go in with the CeraVe Eye Cream. I put it under my eyes, gently. It feels so good. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photofocus Face Primer in Matte Matte. This is the first time I've actually ever used this primer, but I love the way it made my skin feel. It felt so hydrating. Next, I mix my Maybelline Fit Me and my LA Girl Pro Coverage using the Morphe M439 brush. Alright y'all, disclaimer. This is my first time ever using a brush to put my foundation on. So I really don't know how this is going to turn out. I usually use my little spongy dude because it actually has a face on it. That's why I call it dude. But I need to get a new one, so I haven't had time to do that. And I got these new brushes, and I was like, you know, let me just try it out and see how it looks. And I've seen a lot of other YouTubers use a brush to apply their foundation, so let's see how this will work out for me. For the Maybelline Fit Me, I use the shade 322 Warm Honey, and for the LA Girl Pro Coverage, I use the shade 647 Warm Beige. Okay, honestly, I think I actually really like the brush application, like more than I like using my sponge. I think it just gives it like a lighter, more fresher look. I don't know, but I like it. Yes! Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. I'm gonna apply it to my cheekbones, my forehead, and my chin, and the sides. These are the high points of the face. And I'm also going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette, light to medium. And I'm going to use all of the 3 colors on the bottom, all the deep colors. And the way that I apply it is like doing threes and connecting them. Connecting the threes from the top and on the bottom. So this is my first time blending with the foundation brush, and I don't think it's looking good. So I might just have to my little sponge friend and tap it out, because this is not it. So I'm going to continue using my little spongy dude to blend out my concealer on my face, and then I'm going to go in with the Morphe S94 to blend out my contour. You want to make sure that you're really blending it in so that you have no harsh lines on your face. And then after, I'm going to go in with the AirSpun Loose Face Powder. And I'm going to be putting this where I put my concealer so that I can bake. After baking, I'm going to go in with the Morphe E4, and I'm just going to wipe away all of the baking that I just did. And look how bright that made my face. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Morphe 35P palette. Shout out to my best friend for getting me this. I'll be starting off with the lighter transition shades called Lilac and Pastel. These shades allow me to blend the deeper shades of purple together more smoothly afterward. And I'm using the Morphe M506 to apply on the top of my eyelid. With my Morphe M535 brush, I'm going to blend the transition shades together. Going back into the palette, I'm using my Morphe 506 brush, and I'm going to add the shade Violetta. When applying eyeshadow, you want to make sure that you're using windshield wiper motions and that you're blending any harsh lines. Now I'm using my Morphe M535 brush again and blending. Going back into the palette, I'm going to be using my Morphe M506, and I'm going to be putting the color Eggplant to stack on top of the other purples that I've already put. I know I look crazy right now, but you know, just trust the process, okay? Promise you, it's gonna look good. With my Morphe M535 brush, I'm just gonna blend everything in. For more blending, I went in with my Sephora Magnet Collection eyeshadow brush. And then with my Morphe E36 brush, I'm going back into the palette and using the shade Outgoing. This is a dark glittery shade, and I'm putting it on the outer corner of my eye. This is how you make the smoky eyeshadow effect. I'm tapping back into the palette, and I'm using my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm using the shades Violetta and Purple Sky. I'm just trying to add some more pigment into the top of my eyelid. Y'all, I know I look crazy. Blending is key. Blending is key. Say it with me. Blending is key. So I don't know if I showed y'all, but I just spray a spritz. You can spray a spritz of any of your spray, your setting spray. I use the Badescu for my prepping and my setting spray. But I just get it to wet the brush, and then you just dip it into the shade that you want, and it'll give you like a wet kind of look on your eyelid. Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my liquid liner. I'm using the Milani Stay Put Matte 17-Hour Wear Liquid Liner. And how I like to do it is that I do a straight line on both of my eyes. And then I start doing the wing, and I start doing the bottom part of the wing. And then I meet the wing like right in the middle and then connect it to the line. And I do the same thing to the other side. If you guys want to see a more in-depth video of how I do my eyeliner, I definitely will do that if you guys want. Now I'm curling my eyelashes, my non-existent eyelashes. You gotta work with what your mama gave you. So I'm working with it. And now I'm going in with 2 coats of the L'Oreal Telescopic Waterproof Mascara. I love this mascara. And I'm gonna put on the Kiss Lashes in the style Flirty. And I'm using the Kiss Lash Clear Adhesive. Oh girl, once the lash goes on, there's no going back. So the way that I put my lashes on is that I put a thin layer of glue onto the band, and then afterwards I put it on tweezers, and I just put it right on the line where I put my eyeliner, and just follow that as a guide, and just put it to the position where you want it, and then after, put some mascara on and make sure that they're stuck on there. Yes! For blush, I'll be using the Nicole Miller Ultimate Complexion palette. I'm using this really pretty pink color on my cheeks, and I'm using the Morphe E4 to apply. I love how it gives so much color to the face. For highlighter, I'll be using Bretman Rock's Babe in Paradise palette, and I'm mixing Get Laid and Vacation, and I'm using a Real Techniques setting brush. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Whew. When applying highlighter, you want to make sure that you put it right above where you applied your blush. Cheekbones, your nose, and your cupid's bow. For lips, I'm going to be using Bite Beauty's Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Truffle. I really like this application of this lipstick. It's very smooth and it really does feel like a crayon. It's like this deep maroon color. It's really pretty. Now I'm going to add in Fenty Beauty's Diamond Milk, and I'm going to be applying it with the Morphe S30. Ooh, she's shiny or whatever. And I'm going to set with my Badescu. Alright guys, well that's the purple smoky eye look. Let me know what you guys think about my first ever makeup tutorial. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And thank you for watching. Bye!